a good mixture of theory as well as the practical bit.
A lot of depth in it.
Super hands-on activities.
Quite descriptive.
It's been really interactive.
Always create value in every sprint. That's kind of a mantra for us. Always create value.
The session was quite interactive. I mean, the trainers that were present, so they actually provided all the satisfying answers to the questions that we asked. So yes, so we are taking away a lot of learnings from this session.
That you're going to see at least 30–40% higher productivity out of just a few key skills we can teach you here about how to focus on the right work. And the potential is there for a lot more than that. So you're going to learn how to work together with everybody. You're going to learn how to deliver great value to customers. You're going to become a hero in your organization.
We formed a team and we were working with the team, like I said. We were actually implementing those ideas, those principles which we were learning with respect to the Agile framework. So we could right away implement.
KnowledgeHut has been a great partner. KnowledgeHut makes sure we have what we need at our classes. KnowledgeHut gets us great venues. KnowledgeHut gets us great food. KnowledgeHut gives me the tools I need to do the best possible job as a trainer.
When you just do a theory bit, it's only about the bookish knowledge, but when you come and sit with 6–7 other people in the same table and you get to speak to them, get to know the part of work they're doing as well as the kind of knowledge that's being transpired here as well by the trainer. So overall it's a good takeaway.